If Steam is showing the error that Steamclient.dll is not running, don't worry, this is usually something you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to properly close Steam, refresh its configuration, and verify your game files so you can get back into your game without the error coming back. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is completely close Steam. Sometimes Steam is still running in the background even when it looks closed, and that can trigger this error. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the simplified view, click More Details so you can see the full process list. Now look through the list for any Steam processes. You may see Steamclient Bootstrapper, Steam, or other related entries. Select each Steam process one by one and click End Task. The goal here is to make sure Steam is fully shut down before we refresh anything. Once all Steam processes are closed, press Win and R on your keyboard to open the Run box. In the Run field, type steam://flushconfig and then press Enter. This command clears and refreshes Steam's local configuration, which can help fix problems caused by corrupted or outdated settings. Steam may restart after you enter the command, and that is completely normal. If it asks you to sign in again, go ahead and log back into your account. Now that Steam is restarted, the next step is to check the game files. Open your Steam library and find the game that was giving you the Steamclient.dll error. Right-click the game and choose Properties. In the Properties menu, go to Installed Files. Here you'll see an option called Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click that option and let Steam scan the game installation. Steam will compare your files against the official version and automatically replace anything that is missing or damaged. This part can take a few minutes depending on the size of the game and the speed of your drive, so let it finish completely. If Steam finds broken or missing files, it will download fresh copies and repair the installation. That is often enough to resolve the Steamclient.dll error, especially if the problem was caused by a bad update, incomplete install, or a file that got corrupted. After the verification process is done, close the window and try launching the game again. In many cases, the error will be gone and the game should start normally. If it still doesn't work the first time, it's a good idea to restart your PC and try again after the reboot, since that can help clear any leftover background issues. So to quickly recap, first you close all Steam processes in Task Manager, then you run steam://flushconfig, and finally you verify the integrity of your game files. Those 3 steps fix a lot of Steamclient.dll issues without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful fixes, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more Steam errors next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.